Hello guys, what's up? Today is that day I always say I want to do to clean the yard. I make sure everything is clean, and that is exactly what I want to do. That's why I knocked off from work very early in the morning because I want to do this work. So here you can see the guys who are coming here to do the cleaning in my yard and take away all the bad things. My house has been chaotic. I was not expecting it to be in this state, but now I'm trying all my level best to clean this place, take away all the dirt, what is actually not good. And these guys, they told me they want about 120 to clean my compound, and that is what I view as something very important. You can see what is going on here. They came with the stuff. This is a machine, the lawnmower machine, the one they are using actually to take away the dirt and cutting the glass and making my yard clean. You see, they're going to take away all this and throw it away to where it's gonna decay, decompose, and become, something to make things look better. Now, this is the car they are using. You can see the car they are using. Here it is, man. They are towing this thing, man. It's a 1400. They cut the trees. I think my compound now is gonna look neat, gonna look clean, and I'll be happy because this is exactly the way it's supposed to be done. And I'm grateful. Yeah, hold your file nicely. Hold your file nicely. Hold your file. Yeah. Huko ni kubaya. Huko ni kubaya. Huko ni kubaya. But why don't you do it? Because I'm in the middle of something. Things. Go and arrange that bedroom. I'm busy taking some stuff